Hello friends, welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So friends, in this video I am going to show you how to fix an unexpected error occurred in Facebook. So friends, before we get started, please do like and subscribe this YouTube channel, and please hit the bell icon to receive all notification videos from Android Tips. So friends, let's get started. So friends, if you are facing this problem, you just need to watch this video till the end to know how to fix this problem. So first thing, uh, you have to check your internet connection. Your internet connection should be stable. We usually face this problem because of internet connection. So friends, you just need to go to settings and then go to sim cards and mobile networks. I'm using Redmi device, so my interface might be different. So you can just see sim card and mobile networks. So you just need to select the sim card you are using for internet. So I'm using sim 2. So friends, you just need to select your sim card and then go to preferred network. You should just check it should be preferred LTE, and then go to access point names. Access point names and then friends, after going into access point names, you just need to tap here. You have to reset you have to reset you have to reset you have to reset it the APNS. So after resetting the APNS, turn off your mobile data and again turn on, and then try logging into Facebook, and you might you might not face this problem anymore. So friends, even after doing that you're still facing the problem again, then there's a next solution to fix this problem. You just need to go to settings and go to apps, and then go to manage apps, and then search for Facebook here. Search for Facebook, and then you can simply clear the data of the Facebook application. After clearing the data of the Facebook application, you simply re-login in with your Facebook account, and you may not face this problem anymore. So friends, even after clearing data you're still facing the problem again, then the only thing is uninstall your Facebook application, and reinstall your Facebook application from Google Play Store, and I assure you that you won't face this problem anymore. So friends, that's it. I hope you all like this video. So till then, take care, and thank you so much for watching this video.